Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate marketing without a website. Having your own website to promote your affiliate products is a good option. But it is not necessary. There are many methods available that can be used to do your affiliate marketing business. The list is long, but the most important methods are email marketing, writing articles to e-groups, joining online discussions, etc. Let us discuss some important methods that can be used to promote your affiliate products without having your own website. Email marketing. In this method you can promote your affiliate links and you don't need your own website. People can click on your affiliate links present in your emails, and can go directly to the merchant website to purchase the products. Your email should contain the introduction about the product you are promoting and your affiliate links. Try to make your emails interesting and brief. Try to expand your contact list. Use as many methods as you can to grab the email addresses of new people. Use online forums, chat forums, etc. to make new friends. Your email list must contain a few hundred contacts, at least. But don't spam. Don't send emails to the people who don't know about you or who don't want to receive your emails. Otherwise they will just block your emails and you will lose your contacts. As I said, your emails should be interesting to get the reader's attention. Offline promotion. You can use the offline methods of promotion, like the classified ads, flyers, etc. The best choice is the classified ads because its exposure is largest. Writing free ebooks. It is similar to email marketing. But in this method you will write the informative and interesting e-books, and will send to the people via their email address. These e-books should be easy to read and helpful for their readers. The topic should be related to your affiliate products, so that you can recommend the products in the body of e-books. Alternatively, you can add a brief note about your affiliate products and affiliate links for promotion. If the readers like your e-book, they may visit the merchant website and make a purchase. Writing in forums. Search for some forums, at least 3, that are related to your product and have high page rank. Register on these forums and start some discussion in the forum where maximum people are involved. Just post your questions there or answer some questions of other members. But don't add any promotion text in the body of your posts. You are allowed to put your signature at the end of your post. Here you can write your name and your affiliate links. When you become an active member of this forum, then you may get some traffic from these forums to your merchant website through your affiliate links. This will ultimately result in more sales of the products you are promoting. Writing articles. You can write articles and publish them in the free article directories. You can embed your affiliate links in the text of your articles. If your articles are well formatted, informative, and the article directory has large traffic, then you can expect some good traffic to your affiliate links. And you know that more traffic on your affiliate links will result in more sales through your affiliate links. Conclusion. The use of a website to promote your affiliate products is a good idea, but it is not necessary. You can use the alternate methods to promote your affiliate products and links. The most popular among these methods are email marketing, writing to forums, article writing, and offline promotion like classified ads. The main idea is that instead of promoting your website, you will directly promote your affiliate links, and people will directly go to the merchant website by clicking your affiliate links to purchase the products. This way you do not have to pay extra for your website creation and maintenance. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net